Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to set up auto reply in Meta Business Suite. First thing first, go to Meta Business Suite on your desktop or mobile app. Click the Automations tab in the sidebar, then locate the Instant Reply and toggle it on. Click the Edit button to customize the reply and select Messenger or Instagram as the platform. Write your desired auto reply message, then click Save to apply the changes. Now, you can preview your message. Just click Preview in Messenger to see how auto reply will appear to users. And your auto reply is now active and will automatically respond to incoming messages on Facebook and Instagram. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.